Don't we all love a cool breeze? This is cool breeze at your disposal. Shark FlexBreeze is the new greatest product from Shark, which I am crazy about. It comes in a number of delightful colors. This is my favorite, a butter yellow. Let me tell you everything about this great product. You can have a breeze at your disposal anytime. Now I'm outside on a warm day and I would like a soft mist, not a full-blown wind, but a soft mist. I can order that up with my FlexBreeze. I can have a full-blown, full blast breeze if I want. What is so unique about this is the cool mister. Let me show you how these great features of this wonderful Shark product work. You can use it as a standing fan or as a tabletop feature. Now the Shark FlexBreeze can be a tabletop fan as well, all in the same piece of equipment. How smart is that? And this fan blows a gentle breeze. Let me just show you. Here are the controls. You turn it on. It is rechargeable and it is also corded. So any way you want to use it, works fine. I'm away from a corded plug today because I've charged it. This breeze is so quiet and it has a fan speed of up to 5 different levels. And I can just mode through these and use whichever level I want to perfection. It also oscillates and I can actually fix it in a fixed position. Now, the beauty about this fan is it has a remote control that has a convenient little magnet spot right here that keeps it in place so you never lose it. So I can be comfy in my chair reading my book and I can operate it completely from this remote control. I can make it stationary, I can make it oscillate, I can make it go to the left or the right and set a parameter anywhere from 36, 45 to 90 degrees, and then I can make it up, down speed, and everything in between. And the beauty of it is I can take it with me or I can plug it in for endless hours. Now, it will give you on max life 2 hours of full use, and if you have it on a lower option, it can actually last up to about 7 hours. So it's a perfect fan for whatever your needs are. The mister is absolutely the most game-changing part, which you can operate with remote control or the fan itself. But right now I'm going to quickly show you that this is the misting attachment. There is a terrific water jug that is removable, so you can carry the jug to and from the hose if you need to, and it slips right in here. Now, here is the quick attachment, and it even tucks out of the way with a holder right here. And there's the charging port. Beautiful. Now I'm going to have it oscillate. Perfect. And I want it to come straight on me, so I'm going to direct it to come to me. Yes. Perfect. And it also has an angle that you can go up or down. You have a 45-degree angle that you can choose. Have a baby sleeping nearby, you can point it at the baby. I can make it go faster with the touch of a button. A perfect breeze that I can dial up with the press of a button. It's perfect. It's quiet. Even at the full speed, it's quiet and just perfect. And you can share it with the crowd as you oscillate it back and forth. On this great remote control, I can just press the mister. Look at that mist. You can see it landing on my face and see it coming out of the Shark FlexBreeze. I can feel it on my hands. It's perfect for a hot day when you want to cool off the kids. It's just perfect. It feels like you're jumping in the pool without getting all wet. I love it. And you can have degrees that you can control the mist. Now, the buttons are on the fan itself as well as the remote control. Oscillating. And we can do the fan settings, 5 different power settings, and you can control the angles. There is a full tutorial on the QR code, and the fan remote attaches conveniently on the back. I can stop it right where I want it, and I can increase the speed. I want all the speed, and I can adjust it just the position I want. This is your new outdoor best friend, the Shark FlexBreeze. I highly recommend it. All of your friends, when they see this, they're going to want to have one. I invite you to all get one in different colors and gather together for a FlexBreeze party. It's the new thing. Why be uncomfortable when you have a FlexBreeze?